All right, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we're going to be talking about how to disable the sound generator in your GR86 or BRZ. Before we get to that, please do like and subscribe. I cover new car news, new and used car reviews, plus do live streams. Back to the BRZ GR86. Welcome to Cruise Control. All right, so before we get to these clips from this video, the overall experience looks to be very simple. You can remove the glove box as it's going to be shown here. However, you can also just go straight to that little side compartment when you open up the door. All you need is that flat-headed screwdriver and like a little soft cloth so you don't scratch anything. And then it's located very easily to get to. And then as you can see, you can just pull that right out, and that's the entire thing. Now, if you guys want to watch this full video, I'm going to have that in my link below. Also, I wanted to let you guys know, if you want to keep your car clean without having to overspend, I do have a complete care kit in the link down below. It'll take you directly to it. You guys can go ahead and get that, and you guys will be all set. Thank you again so much for watching. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a good one.